Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add a clickable link on your Facebook post in 2025. Now, Facebook doesn't make every link clickable automatically, so I will show you the correct method to make your link work on all the devices. So, first of all, you need to launch your Facebook application. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, simply tap on the option of what's on your mind. Then it is going to open this type of create post section in front of you. Now over here, you need to just simply start creating a post like you normally do. You can upload any of the photos or the videos. Then you can just simply add any of the texts over here. For example, let's say I've added this text here as a post. Now, in order to add the link, what you need to do is you need to simply start your link with https://. For example, if you want to add, let's say, youtube.com link, so instead of typing youtube.com over here, simply first of all type https, then you just have to add colons, then add backslashes, then you need to simply give the name of your domain. Like we want to redirect people to the youtube.com, you just have to give it something like this. After that, simply tap on the option of post on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, as you can see, if I tap on this link, it is going to redirect me here on the youtube.com website in my web browser. So this way you are going to add the clickable link on your Facebook post in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can drop your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.